Hello everyone, so today I'll show you how to make crunchy cheese bites. You'll need 1 cup of flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder, 30 grams of butter, 30 grams of cheese, 2 eggs. In a saucepan, add 1 cup of water, the butter and the cheese and let it melt. Once it comes to a simmer, add in the flour and the baking powder and mix. Mixing with a wooden spoon will be easier than mixing with a whisk. Keep mixing until the mixture forms a dough ball. You will know it's cooked when it comes off the sides of the pan. Once this is done, leave it for cooling and separate the egg whites and yolks. Whisk the egg whites till it forms soft peaks. This step is optional, but it gives it a more fluffy texture to the end product. Season the batter with pepper and salt. Then mix in the egg yolks one at a time. Finally, mix in the whipped egg whites. You can also start heating oil on the stove. So while the oil gets heated up, you are done with the mixture. Then spoon the mixture into the oil and fry on medium-low heat for 5 to 8 minutes or until golden brown. And now they are ready to serve. If you liked the video, please drop a comment and subscribe to my channel.